Welcome to session 60 of Quantitative Techniques 1 for BCom 5th semester Kuvempu University. 6th chapter Theoretical Distribution, which includes binomial distribution, Poisson distribution and normal distribution. Prerequisite: in the previous session we have already discussed about the binomial distribution. Apart from that, basics of probability, the permutation and combination knowledge, and the finding of mean, variance and standard deviation knowledge is must for this session. And content of this session is binomial distribution and some example illustrations. Objective of the session: binomial distribution, to know the calculation of mean, variance and the standard deviation, able to solve the problems on the same. Types of probability distribution we have already discussed in the previous sessions, but to recall, probability distribution can be classified into two: discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. In discrete probability distribution, binomial distribution and Poisson distribution, two types of distribution is there, and in continuous distribution we can find normal distribution. So, here in this session we are going to concentrate on binomial distribution. So, the probability function of binomial distribution is P of x equal to NCR into P power r into Q power n minus r, where r is the number of favorable number of trials and n is total number of trials, and P is probability of success, Q is 1 minus P, that is probability of failure in a single trial, and R is the number of success in n trials, that is favorable outcome. Formula for calculating the mean and variance of in the binomial distribution is mean equal to expected value or n into P, variance is sigma square, that is NPQ. Okay. Example: the probability of an individual surviving after becoming a victim of cancer is 1 by 10. Find the chance of survival of 4 individuals when 6 have been affected by cancer. So, total 6 are there, R is 4 and probability of surviving is 1 by 10, which is given in the problem. Individual surviving after becoming victim of cancer is 1 by 10. So, this is probability of success 1 by 10, and probability of failure is 1 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10. So, probability, this is the formula for binomial distribution: NCR into P power r, Q power n minus r. Here R is 4. Find the chance of survival of 4 individual out of 6, n is 6. So, P of x equal to 4 is 6C4 into 1 by 10 to the power of 4 into 9 by 10 to the power of 6 minus 4. So, that can be calculated like this: 6C4 1 by 10 to the power of 4, 9 by 10 to the power of 6 minus 4 is 6C4 is 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 2 into 1 is cancelled with 2 into 1 in the denominator. So, 4 factorial 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, the formula for 6C4, that is combination, is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 by 10 to the power of 4 into 9 square divided by 10 to the power of 2, that is 10 square. So, 4 3 2, 4 3 is cancelled here, and 2 2 2 1 2 1s are 2 3s are. So, it is 3 5s are 15 into 9 square, that is the relationship or the function we have got in this is multiplying. So, 9 square, 1 into 9 square is 9 square divided by 10 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 2 is 10 to the power of 6, where the power will be added, that is superscript will be added, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, the answer is 1215 divided by 10 to the power of 6. So, another illustration: Find the binomial distribution for the following data where x values are given like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and f values are 28, 62, 46, 10 and 4. The formula for calculating the binomial distribution is NCR into P power R into Q power n minus R, which is multiplied with the n, that is total of f. So, same is written in the vertical format. F of x is 0 into 28, 1 into 62, 2 into excuse me, 2 into 46, 3 into 10 and likewise total is taken. Sigma f is the total of f and sigma f of x is 200, sorry. Okay, here calculation of mean is like that, sigma f of x divided by n, that is 200 divided by 150, 4 by 3. To find out the p using x bar, that is mean equal to NP, where n is 4, x bar equal to NP, that is 4p is 4 by 3. Mean x bar is have already calculated 4 by 3, but we do not know the value of p here. So, it can be calculated using the formula which we had already discussed, 4p equal to 4 by 3. So, that is 4 by p equal to 4 by 3 divided by 4, that is 1 by 3. So, q is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So, calculation of binomial distribution for x equal to 0. So, here for every x values, the binomial distribution values must be calculated. Okay. When x is 0, that is r is 0, 150 n, that is the total of f, 4c0 into 1 by 3 to the power of 0, 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 0. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 is P, 2 by 3 is Q. So, 150 into 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. 4C0 is always 1. So, the answer is 150 into 16 divided by 81. So, the answer is 30. Okay. And again, for x equal to 1, P of x equal to 1 is 150 into 4c1 into 1 by 3 to the power of 1, 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 1, 150 into 4c1 is 4, 1 by 3 is 1, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 3. So, the answer is 1600 into 8 divided by 2 to the power of 3 is 8 divided by 3 to the power of 4, that is 3 to the power of 1 plus 3 to the power of multiplied with 3 to the power of 3 is 3 to the power of 481 equal to 50. So, the answer is 59. For x equal to 2, P of x equal to 2 is n into NCR, that is 150 into 4C2 into 1 by 3 to the power of 2 into 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 2. So, that is 150 into 4C2 is 6 because 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. So, 4 is cancelled, 3 2s are 6. So, 1 by 3 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So, 900 into 4 by 81. So, the answer is 44. Next, likewise, when x is 3, 150 into 4c3 into 1 by 3 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 4 minus 3, 150 into 4 into 1 by 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 1 divided by 3 to the power of 1. So, the answer is 15. Likewise, for x is 4, here 150 into 4c4 into 1 by 3 to the power of 4, 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 4. So 150 into 4 into 1 by 3 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 0 is 1 and 3 to the power of 0 is also 1. So the answer is 150 into 1 divided by 150 into 1 divided by 81. So the answer is another example. Obtain the binomial distribution for which the mean is 20 and standard deviation is 4. Mean value x bar is already given in the problem, that is 20. Standard deviation, square root of variance is 4. So variance is 4 square, that is NPQ, it is 16. Variance divided by mean is NPQ. To find out Q, NPQ divided by NP, 16 divided by 20, 4 by 5. Q is 4 by 5. So binomial distribution is P is 1 minus 4 by 5, 1 by 5, NP is 20, N into 1 by 5 equal to 20, N is 20 into 5, that is 100. So 10 CR into 1 by 5 to the power of R, 4 by 5 to the power of 100 minus R is the binomial distribution. This is the formula for binomial distribution. So if we get the favorable trials, we can continue calculation. So references for this session is Quantitative Techniques by C.R. Kothari and some question paper problems also from Colombo University. Thank you.